Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for December 14th with your currency commentary for today. We'll take a look at some of the economic data that came out this morning. We did see CPI come out. That's the consumer price inflation reading that actually dropped back a tenth of a percent. The market was expecting 0.2, down 0.2, and we actually got down 0.3, which is a positive for the marketplace. PMI, the manufacturing index, actually did show an increase as well. We got the number that came out at 54.2. What was expected was 52.4. However, we got the equities markets a little hungover from yesterday's sell-off. We are trading flat to lower on the S&P. It's trading right around 1417 on the December contract. Looking at the currencies are very, very quiet right now. The U.S. dollar is down about 5 points, back under that key resistance level of 80. It's trading roughly around 79.96 at the moment. We do have the next downside support at 79.55, and I would say anything, if we can pop back above 80.10, I would be short-term bullish that market. But as long as we stay underneath that level, the path of least resistance is still lower in the U.S. dollar. Taking a look at the euro, trading up 10 ticks, 130.98. Pretty quiet day in the euro as well. And the Australian dollar, that's trading up about 18 ticks right now at 104.62. I am still bearish on the Australian dollar. I think it's a little bit overpriced up around these levels. And there has been some rumors that the Bank of Australia has been getting pressured to intervene with that currency to try and knock it back down. Obviously, an overinflated currency isn't doing their economy any favors over there. We did have some news yesterday that Boehner and President Obama were meeting late yesterday. Doesn't look like that meeting's failed to produce any results. So all eyes are still on Washington. What's going to happen with the fiscal cliff? If we get no positive news out throughout the course of the day, I would expect a late day sell-off. I think we're going to see some risk off in the marketplace. You may see investors find comfort back in the U.S. dollar. And that's, of course, if Washington fails to release any positive results here today. So we'll see you back here next week. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 800-669-5354. And remember, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.